went ahead and purchased this mountain bike, and I'm going to go ahead and put it together. Just got to get the staples out, open up the box, and get to work here. There is a link in the description to actually purchase this bike. Packaged really good. Best thing to do is get everything out. Get some wire cutters. Got these around. Here's your seat right there. This is Jedis for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians. And if you want to find the truth, that is where you look. So in the box you got your pedals, some tools, reflectors, and this is where you have your directions. So now it wants me to turn it upside down. So I recommend go ahead using the box for protection. So now that I got the box open and I put the bike on it and turn it upside down, like that, set in the direction. And this goes on this side. You take these bolts off. Well, this middle one right here goes around that bolt, so I just got an adjustable wrench to undo this bolt here. And you do that on both sides. And this guy right here, there's a little notch down there. That's where that goes, but you gotta get the other side undone first. now would recommend go ahead and flipping the bike back over. Got the nice kickstand here. And you gotta install the front brakes right there. So what you want to do is you want to remove these Allen bolts right here. Okay, so let me show you close up. So you want to go ahead and have them grip onto this metal part right here, and that is where I took the screws out. That part right there, that goes in between, so the metal goes right in there, in the middle there. So you line up the holes, put that metal part in there. Got the first screw in, bolt, and then the second one right down here. Makes it real easy for the pedals here on which one, because it says L there, that says L, this one says R, and that's on the other side. So you can go ahead and take these little stickers off. Guess I'll use something, get the sticky stuff off a little bit later. And the pedals always go the opposite way when you want to tighten them. So you can use a tool that it came with, or you can use a adjustable wrench to tighten these. Alright, got that one in. Let's just go ahead and on the other side and do the other one. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you. So then the last thing you want to do is, it doesn't have enough air in the tires. It says on the tires how much air to put in. Inflate to 35 psi. And then you go ahead and get your whatever you use to pump up your bike. We got a nice pump for that you plug in. Let's go ahead and do the front one. Get some air in this. Right there shows 35. Nice and full. And then we go ahead and do the back one. There we go. Very easy to put this bike together. Should take you less than about a half hour. And just go ahead and give it a test drive. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.